This is the subframe of my rear subframe of Nissan Qashqai J10, and it's 7 years old. There's a lot of problems apparently with the subframe rusting away. Mine has just been given a wee scrub down just to remove some of the dirt on it, and I'll be just doing a bit more. That's a degreaser on there, but you can get a rough idea that it looks pretty solid. I'm just going around it. I'll review the video as well later on just to make sure it is what it is, but hopefully this will give you an idea of what this should look like, although sometimes they're completely corroded and they need to be replaced. So Qashqais, particularly these coil springs sit in, can often rust away. So I hope that has been useful in helping decide whether your rear section is completely corroded or not. The rest of the car, as you can see, looks pretty clean. I've got to investigate the front of the car underneath the trays as well at some point.